Good morning, vintage outboard fans. This is T-Mike. We're out here in Bayou this morning in Boudreaux, Louisiana, testing out Restore number 64. It's 1955 7.5 horsepower Evinrude, fully restored. She pushes my John boat about 12 miles an hour. She runs really good. Here we go. Hey, I'm telling you, that baby runs good. Restore number 64 for our customer up in St. Cloud, Minnesota, for Joe. Joe, I'll be shipping your motor later this week, buddy. Came out great. Hope you like it. Y'all can see more pictures and videos on my Facebook page at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. Au revoir, mes amis.